First, there was the lockdown, American families sheltering at home to stop the spread of COVID-19. With millions of Americans also filing for unemployment this year, suppliers are seeing families switch to cheaper frozen foods.
When you start to question your job situation, the longevity of it, how is that going to work? How am I going to work? We all start to re-examine our expense habits, our spending habits. So we have seen some of our more value proposition items. For us, it's our Michelinas brand, have absolutely seen a big uptick in sales. And we believe that's a buying behavior that will stick around for some time to come.
The data firm Nielsen says Americans spent $15.5 billion on frozen food in the 11 weeks leading up to the 16th of May, up more than 40% since last year. They bought so much frozen food, they needed more space to store it. Sales of new freezers have also been booming. Before the coronavirus pandemic, frozen food companies had been trying to offer different options for more health-conscious shoppers. It was part of a wider trend, with consumers switching to plant-based options instead of meat for health and environmental reasons.
There's a reimagining the frozen food aisle from the standard ice cream and 2 or 3 frozen vegetables to many more vegetables, and also, by the way, processed cooked food. I would say COVID-19 is more a catalyst of hastening changes in the direction that they were already happening.
Frozen food brands won't stop trying to attract more health-conscious consumers. But sales of comfort foods like frozen pizza also jumped during coronavirus lockdowns in the US. And with the economy sliding towards a potential recession, some in the industry expect more families to switch to cheaper frozen options. Giles, Gibson, CGTN, Washington.